How to log in into your Netflix account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Netflix account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is simply head over to your web browser, and on your web browser, simply search for Netflix. After you search for Netflix, you will see the netflix.com. Open that up, and yeah, if you have the app, you can directly open that too. So it does not matter if you use the app or the website, just open Netflix up, and on the top right you will see the sign in option. Tap on sign in, and now you will need to type in your email or phone number and then your password. After you do that, tap on the sign in button and you're basically good to go. And that is how you log in into your Netflix account. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.